Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hannah, or 10 miles east of Carrollton, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Whitesburg, Byers Crossroads, Seton Lake, and Hannah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.